Introducing Victoria von Valkenburg. She's wearing the stylish new outfits from French Toast and A+.
Hello, everyone. I like to walk down the runway. Guess what? Thank you. No pictures, please. No pictures, please. Bye-bye. We'll see you later. Hello, Mommy. It's over, right?
No.
Oh! Well, I got my glasses again. Walk back over here. Touch the door. Oh! Oh!
Oh, and that's a nasty fall.
I'll try it again. Touch the door. Oh! My shoe! Oh, my other shoe! My hair!
Okay, that's good. That's a wrap.